So, how to fix Snapchat common problems? Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat problems easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Snapchat right here as you can see. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. Click here on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all these permissions are enabled and then go to the data usage. Make sure everything is enabled again. Click then on storage or the internal storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back and then click on the power usage details. Click down here on force stop. After that, go to the Play Store and update your Snapchat. And if you have iPhone, you can update it in the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.